Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing well. I had a couple of questions on the lab exchange assignment for this week, so I wanted to reach out and make sure you guys knew what was going on. One thing that you have to do is you have to sign up for an account as this learner/student, and you have to use the code that I gave you. So over in the stream, on the stream side, probably the only thing you guys look at, underneath the number 4 lab exchange assignment posting, there is an announcement giving you the directions on how to do that. You're going to have to click on the Lab Exchange link right there. Below this Lab Exchange link on your notice here, there's a code to sign up, but that's all specific to your periods. So I'm not showing that. It's just below this link here. Once you've gone in and you have signed up for your account, you are then going to see on the learner dashboard the classes. In order to join my class, you're going to click Join a Class and put in that code from the announcement in Google Classroom. Once you get in there, then you should see the assignment that is posted for you. It's going to look something like this once you open it up. So you'll click on Start Pathway or What is a Coronavirus Outbreak, and that will get you started in your assignment. So to answer the questions on the attached document, you're going to go through, you're going to read the information, you're going to answer the questions. You'll notice partway down the page, that's where you're going to move on to the next page. So read all the way through, answer all the questions for each page, then click Next. You have to scroll up a bit. You'll notice the numbers and the title up here at the top matches the information that is in your document. Okay, so page 1, page 2, page 3, and you'll notice when you open the document, it gives you the standards and it gives you all the directions again, kind of walks you through what you should be doing as an overview. Once you've answered all the questions on this document, you will be here on page 7 on the website, and this is a little bit of an assessment. So you'll go through, read it, answer the questions, and then submit. So I'll see your score for page 7 here for the little assessment, and I will have the information that you will have turned in on your document on Google Classroom. So that's the whole part of the assignment. So the really important part is making sure that you sign up. Once you sign up, I have to approve you before you'll have access to the assignment that I made for you. So make sure you don't wait until the last minute. Make sure you give me enough time to get in there. I check it every few hours or so during the day. Also, make sure you guys are paying attention to your due dates. This week's set of assignments are from the 13th, that was this Monday, to the 19th, Sunday. I still have a lot of people that are trying to turn things in late. I post these up Sunday or Monday, give you a full week to do it. So once they are due, I'm not going back and I'm not checking any late work on it. So let me know if you have any questions, if you're having any problems. I hope you guys are all enjoying your time off, but still getting something done academically.